Okay, picture this. You do literally everything right. You shut your laptop, you're in bed on time, you get your solid 8 hours, but you still wake up completely exhausted. Sounds familiar, right? Today, in this explainer, we're skipping the complicated, expensive biohacks. Instead, we're going to bridge the gap between our high-stress modern routines and ancient Ayurvedic wisdom. Seriously, do you wake up tired, you hit snooze, you drag yourself out from under the covers, and honestly, just the thought of facing the morning commute or opening that overflowing inbox feels entirely draining. For working professionals today, this is modern burnout at its finest. But here is the crazy twist. Your body might not be lacking sleep at all. It's actually lacking the right routine. The problem isn't your sleep, it's how you transition from sleep into your day. So I'm going to walk you through 5 incredibly simple, ancient Ayurvedic habits that will completely transform your energy and focus. Let's jump right into habit 1, the warm water flush. Think about our modern reflexes. We wake up and we immediately chug a bottle of freezing cold fridge water, or worse, we shock our completely empty stomachs with a super strong cup of morning chai or coffee. Instead, Ayurveda tells us to drink warm water. It gently flushes out all those overnight toxins and actually turns your digestive engine on. And hey, don't overcomplicate it. You can absolutely add a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of jeera if you want, but honestly, plain warm water works perfectly fine. Consistency here matters way more than fancy ingredients. So let this sink in for a second. You want to start your digestion before your breakfast. It's like you're waking your internal systems up gently, rather than shocking them right out of the gate. Moving right along to habit 2, the 10-second mouth reset. 10 seconds. That's literally all it takes. I know it sounds incredibly small, but trust me, it makes a massive difference. Scraping your tongue is a classic Ayurvedic staple used to remove the white coating of toxins and bacteria that your body pushed out overnight. And beyond the ancient philosophy of it all, the immediate payoff is just huge. It fights bad breath, it drastically improves your oral hygiene, and get this, it actually enhances your sense of taste. Your morning breakfast will literally taste better. Habit 3, early morning sunlight. Okay, we are all guilty of this one. Most of us open our eyes and immediately start doom scrolling Instagram or checking work messages while we're still in bed. We really need to shift to a new mantra: sunlight before screen light. Getting just 5 to 10 minutes of natural early morning sunlight is an absolutely incredible science-backed biohack. It resets your body clock, boosts your mood, and really sharpens your focus for the entire day. You are essentially telling your brain, okay, the day has officially begun. Habit 4, detoxify with oil pulling. Now, if you've never tried this, it is incredibly straightforward. Just take a spoon of cold-pressed coconut or sesame oil straight from your kitchen. Swish it gently around your mouth for a few minutes, maybe while you make your bed, and then spit it out. The one golden rule here, absolutely do not swallow it. People who do this literally swear by it. It alleviates dry mouth, strengthens your gums, and it's practically your best natural defense against bad breath. And it's all using an ingredient sitting right in your pantry right now. Finally, habit 5, reclaim your morning energy. Now, don't panic. You don't need to suddenly wake up at 4 a.m. and become a monk. The secret is just starting small. I'm talking 15 minutes earlier. Look, when your day starts frantic, rushing for the shower, skipping breakfast, your mind stays rushed all day long. Small adjustments prevent that all-day chaos. There's a saying, your mornings shape your energy. When you carve out even 15 minutes of quiet time before the entire world demands your attention, you're basically building a protective layer of peace around yourself for the rest of the day. So, the takeaway from this explainer is actually really empowering. You do not need expensive gadgets or crazy restrictive diets to feel vibrant. These simple, ancient daily habits create the biggest transformations. Try them for just 1 week and just see how your body feels. So I'll leave you with this. Which habit are you going to try tomorrow morning? The warm water flush, that 10-second tongue scrape, sunlight before screens, oil pulling, or maybe just setting that alarm 15 minutes earlier? Choose just one. Start there. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I really hope your tomorrow morning feels a whole lot brighter.